Loops are a fundamental concept in Python and, well, most programming languages that allow you to execute a block of code repeatedly. There are two main types of loops in Python: for loops and while loops. For loops, our for loop is used to iterate over a sequence, such as a list, tuple, dictionary, set, or string, and execute a block of code for each item in the sequence. Example 1. Iterating over a list. Python numbers =, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For number in numbers, print number output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this example, the for loop iterates over each item in the numbers list and prints it. Example 2. Iterating over a string. Python word =, Python for letter in word, print letter output python. Here, the for loop iterates over each character in the string word and prints it. ####. Example 3. Using the function. The function generates a sequence of numbers which can be used to iterate over with a loop. Python for I in range 5, print I 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In this example, generates numbers from 0 to 4 and the loop prints each number. ###. While loops, a loop repeatedly executes a block of code as long as a given condition is. ###. Example 4. Basic while loop Python count =, 0 while count 5, print count plus =, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In this example, the loop continues to execute as long as is less than 5. Inside the loop is incremented by 1 in each iteration. ###. Example 5. Using a while loop to iterate until a condition is met. Python number =, 10 while number 0, print number =, 2108642. Here, the loop continues to run as long as is greater than 0. The value of is decremented by 2 in each iteration. ### nested loops. You can also nest loops, which means having a loop inside another loop. ###. Example 6. Nested for loops. Python for I in range 3. For j in range 2. Print phi I j I 0 j 0 I 0 j1 I 1 j 0 I 1 j1 I 2 j 0 I 2 j1. In this example, the outer loop runs 3 times for in, and the inner loop runs 2 times for in for each iteration of the outer loop. Alright, let's dive into loop control statements. Python provides several control statements to manage the flow of loops. First we have this statement terminates the loop entirely. Next it skips the rest of the code inside the loop for the current iteration and moves to the next iteration. Lastly, we have this statement executes a block of code once the loop completes normally. ### Example 7. Using Python for I in range 10, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, the loop terminates when is equal to 5 because of the statement. ### Example 8. Using Python for I in range 5, print I 0, 1, 3, 4, the statement skips the rest of the code inside the loop for the iteration where is 2. ###. Example 9. Using with loops Python for I in range 5, else 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Loop completed, the block is executed after the loop finishes iterating over the sequence. ### Conclusion. Loops are essential for performing repetitive tasks efficiently in Python. The loop is ideal for iterating over sequences, while the loop is suitable for running a block of code as long as a condition is met. By understanding and utilizing loops, you can write more effective and efficient Python programs.